Chemistry is the study of matter and the changes it undergoes. Throughout human history, we've been trying to change matter into more useful forms. Major eras in human history have been named after the changes we made to matter. In the Stone Age, people were chipping flint to use as tools and carving wood. These were physical changes, not chemical changes. We were only changing the shape. But as our ancestors learned more, we began to change the matter around us more. Arguably, fire was the first chemical reaction that humans learned to control. We used fire to cook, make pottery, smelt metals. Later, we figured out extraction, and we began to separate and use specific components of matter. Early pharmaceuticals like aloe, myrrh, and opium were extracted from plants. Dyes like indigo and Tyrian purple were extracted from plant and animal matter. In the Bronze Age, metals like copper and tin were mixed together to make bronze. In the Iron Age, smelting techniques produced iron. And then there was soap. We figured out how to make soap by extracting alkalis from ashes and combining them with fats. And then alcohol. Alcohol was produced by fermentation and purified with distillation. And then, in the 6th century BC, a Greek philosopher named Empedocles established that matter consists of 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water. And he included the forerunners of attractive and repulsive forces: love and discord. And then alchemy. Alchemy can be traced back to the Hellenistic period in Egypt, and later spread to China and the Eastern Mediterranean. Alchemists endeavored to create elixirs to cure diseases and extend life. They tried to transform base metals, like lead, into what they called noble metals, like gold. Then, something revolutionary happened. The scientific method started being applied to alchemy, and it transitioned it from the combination proto-science philosophy that it was into modern chemistry. Paracelsus was a Swiss physician and famous alchemist from the 16th century. He was the world's first toxicologist because he realized that there's a correlation between dosage and toxicity. He realized that poisons in small doses can sometimes be helpful even when large doses of the same substances are fatal. Robert Boyle was a British inventor, philosopher, and scientist in the 17th century. He's known today for pioneering the scientific method and for the gas law named after him, but throughout his life he wanted to find the secret of the philosopher's stone, which, according to alchemy, was the most powerful substance. Isaac Newton, around this same time, invented calculus and gave us laws for gravity and optics. He was also actively involved in alchemy. Then the Age of Enlightenment hit Europe in the 17th and 18th centuries, and this caused alchemy to face off with rational thinking. It also really didn't help alchemy's case that it had secretive tendencies that drew suspicion from the government and church, and that it had associations with the occult. Alchemy faded into obscurity. The scientific method took over to give legitimacy to what grew from it, chemistry. But the historical connection that led us from alchemy to modern chemistry is still there. Next up, the scientific method. Thanks for watching Chemistry in a Nutshell. If you feel that I've earned it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.